Morning, everyone. Today, these are the specialist pages. So, they don't have a lot to do with general ed, second grade like me. But they have some art, gym, music. There's some ESL pages. I don't know if anyone who is an ESL student's been working on them. I believe that's only like Maria, Ivan, Ariana. There might be a couple of others if I'm forgetting, but it's only like 3 or 4 students that take ELL services, so the whole class doesn't need to complete that. But here's one of the options for art. Students will make their own color wheels using 6 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. They'll create their own color wheel by finding an item or two in their home or living space for each color. The items can be absolutely anything from clothes to utensils. After collecting found items, students will arrange them in a circle to mimic a color wheel. If possible, students will take a picture of their homemade color wheel. So, questions for students to answer or discuss with you: what kind of items are in your color wheel? Which colors were easy to find? Which colors were harder to find? Don't forget to put all your objects back. So here's an example here. This is art again. They just kind of found some household items here. So now coming for the second assignment for art, let's look at the castle. What shapes did the artist use? How did she use the shapes to make the castle? Compare all the shapes in the castle. Are they the same size or different? Who will live in your castle? Let's use our knowledge of building with shapes. Building with shapes is the placement of a variety of shapes, large and small, to create a larger object. Using triangles, rectangles, squirrels, and semicircles. Squares, not squirrels. Create a door, windows, bricks, and flags. Think about the size of the shapes you need for the different section. The castle shape should be bigger than the windows and bricks. The more shapes you add, the more details your castle will have. If you have crayons, markers, or colored pencils, you can color your castle in. How many shapes did you use to build your castle? So here, you can draw it down here and, use shapes to build your castle. There's a good example there, but build it how you want to build it. Be creative. This is art. So now this is that ELL stuff I was talking about. There's an introductory page. There's some websites that students can use. And then there's some activities. So it did want them to complete it each day, but pick a couple, do what works for you, and nothing too crazy here. Just check off what you did. And if you see up here, it's at home 6 to 8. So 3 to 5, you should just be doing, if you're doing the ELL stuff, the K to 2, because you're second grade. All right, now coming into music, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on a Bed. Sing through the song with hand motions. If you don't know the song, say it like a chant or rap, or look it up on YouTube. You could search Liesl Pervian's channel, 5 Little Monkeys. Choose 5 stuffed animals or objects to act out the monkeys jumping on the bed while you sing the song. Draw a picture to go with the song. Make sure to connect your picture with details in the song. Are the monkeys jumping on the bed? How many are on the bed? How many fell off? There's a song here. I'm not going to sing it. You just repeat the lines as you get down to from 5 to 1. So then here's another music. So this is please write ta, ti, or rest under each rhythm. So this single ones, that's ta. So it would be ta, ti, ta. And then these are the rest symbols. So you just do that. You'd write it underneath, clap and say each rhythm, have fun. The kids have done that in class. I definitely have heard them doing that with their teacher. Now we're here to gym. So there's 2 options here. Option 1, spell your name by completing the exercise that goes with each letter of your name. So let's say your name is Kate. You would do 10 sit-ups, 15 jumping jacks. You would do run in place for 30 seconds and hop on your left foot 15 times. So you could also spell your favorite food, fruit, vegetable, or sport. And then there's a second option. You could do the circuit workout, all that stuff here. All the directions are here. There's also at the end of this a family gratitude jar. Get permission to find a large jar or container, clear if possible. Each day, try to find one thing that you appreciate or are thankful for and write down on a slip of paper. Add the note to the jar. Include your whole family. This is a great way to open positive conversation in your household. When you start your gratitude jar, place it in the house where family members will see it, like your kitchen counter. Choose a consistent time of day to share gratitude with each other. It could be part of a dinner or bedtime routine. Remember, when you are thinking of something you are grateful about, it doesn't have to be too big. It can be whatever you want it to be. Giving gratitude for anything, no matter how silly or small you think it may be, it's powerful. So there's also an activity log. So for these, for Jim, you mark what you did and your parents would sign it. So you can do additional activities if you'd like. Those are the special assignments. I mean, if you have any questions, Miss Kanzler, she's on Teams. I've seen Miss Phillips on Teams, Miss Hudson's on Teams. So you can always send a chat or send them a message and talk to them about it if you're not sure what to do. All right, so that's that for today. If you have any questions, let me know. But like I said, I would reach out to the specialist because this more has to do with them. All right, guys, I will talk to you later and have a great day.